Utyelelo lwe-ANC kwikhala kwaKotane lujikelwa encindi yekhala ngaku-Ace Magashule. Kaloku bekunika imbeko yokugqibela kongasekhoyo umama uRebecca Kotane osweleke kule veki.
Why should I call him to order? What has he done?
Ukanti ke idaba eliphakathi kowesakuba ngumongameli nesekela nhloko yejaji liqhubela phambili. uJacob Zuma uthi akazukuza ngaphambi kwekomishoni ye-state capture kwaye nombutho wakhe uyavumelana naye.
It's wrong for comrades to try and become populists and talk about Zuma all the time. They are populists, those who are saying Zuma must resign or must be removed from the ANC. Zuma is part of the ANC.
Bonakala ngathi ke lokaZuma uyayifumana inkxaso nakwi-EFF kodwa ke inengcebiso nje eyodwa.
We know that the Zondo Commission seems to be a fictional instrument to fight for the protection of Pravin Gordhan and Ramaphosa, whose main interest and purpose is to safeguard the white capitalist establishment.
Yona iDA ithi ngalihlazo kokuba emveni koba uZuma enze oku akangafumani ukohlwaywa.
The fact that he refuses to give evidence before the Zondo Commission simply means that a charge of contempt of court should be laid, and that has been done. It should be investigated, and that shouldn't take long.
Yona iATM ithi commission mayenze okufanelekileyo.
It is for that reason that we expect anyone as a party to comply with the constitutional obligations. We therefore urge the former president to obey and respect and accept the court decision and appear before the Zondo Commission of State Capture.
Kwelinye icala amanye amaqela ezopolitiko athi oku kulihlazo.
The law must treat everyone equally. That is why we are very concerned about the reports that former President Jacob Zuma has threatened not to attend the Zondo Commission.
The behavior of Jacob Zuma is disgraceful. Zuma must never be allowed to disrespect the constitution of this country.
Ukanti ke ikomishoni ye-state capture sele iphendule ngelithi iza kuvula ityala ngakulokaZuma. NdinguAbongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.